And then number 7, cold therapy. I'm talking about cold immersion or even a cold shower. But being in the cold stimulates brown fat stem cells, which has a lot to do with muscle repair, decreasing inflammation, help supporting the mitochondria, with more blood flow in general, which brings more nutrition to the stem cells, as well as boosting a very specific protein. I've already talked about this, BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This is the Miracle-Gro for the brain. And it's pretty wild because every time I do the cold immersion, I feel like my brain is just working so much better. Personally, I've experienced that. It's pretty wild that cold helps your cognitive function do better, as well as your mood.